Hello, and welcome to English A 212 Technical Writing. This video is a brief overview of the course policy statement and syllabus. I do expect you to read this document in full. In fact, I hope you'll read it multiple times and refer to it throughout the semester. At any time you do have a question about something in the course, please come back to this document, as well as the assignment sheet and the learning units, in order to find the answer. If the answer is not located in any of these places, then feel free to contact me so I can answer your questions. But let's do an overview of the syllabus. First off, this is a course that helps you become familiar with technical communication. We will create, design, and share technical information. We will look at the nuances of technical writing, things such as usability, design, cohesion, concision, and clarity. In this class, we'll be creating memos, emails, proposals, feasibility studies, and instruction sets. We will be doing quite a bit of primary and secondary research. Further information on each assignment will be located in each learning unit in Blackboard. You'll see at the bottom in the bottom box information on how to contact me. My office is located in the administration building in the English department. My office hours are Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to noon. You can come see me in my office or even Gmail chat with me at the address listed here. I do include my office phone number, but please note that I am not in my office 24/7, so the best way to get a hold of me is via email. Our course textbook is Technical Communication. I know that many students these days don't want to purchase a textbook, but there are many options for either an ebook or a rented book. We do heavily rely on the course book, so please make sure that you do obtain a copy. On the second page, you'll see some basic student resources on the left-hand side, as well as some overviews of the school policy and course policy, such as plagiarism and negotiation. Plagiarism is a definite no-no in academia. We'll talk more about this, but I do expect you all to complete and submit your own work. Anytime that you use the ideas, words, images from someone else, you are required to cite that in APA. One thing that I do want to point out here is group work. 212 does require quite a bit of group work in this course. It does make it challenging since this is online. However, I have tried to set up a system to make it as easy as possible for all of you. The other thing to notice is withdrawing from the course. Within the first 2 weeks, if you have not logged in or logged in only once, I am allowed to withdraw you from the course. After that point, I will not withdraw you from the course, as it can affect your status at the university. Therefore, if you do appear at the roster at the end of the course, you will receive an F for the course, just to let you all know. All papers will be submitted electronically. We will submit things in various places. However, when you do submit something to the turn-in paper section in our course, I do expect it to be submitted as a PDF file. In the Start Here section of our course, you can find a free Adobe Reader download. There are also many online to access from if whatever word processing software you use does not already have one included. As far as submitting work, I do not accept late work. Please make sure that you contact me early if you feel that you cannot submit something on time, and we can discuss possibilities. Feel free to always submit work early. On the fourth page, you'll notice an overview of all coursework that we will be doing. Please make sure you come back and read through each of these major units. You'll notice on the left-hand side, I have a generic rubric for how things will be graded. I like to include this because oftentimes as students, we feel that if we meet the basic requirements that we should be getting an A. However, remember that A is for excellence. That means it goes above and beyond the general expectations. And that actually a C is average work, and there's nothing to be ashamed of if you do meet the basic requirements and get a C. So just an overview there. As far as emailing goes, both to myself and our classmates, this course is based on professional communication. Therefore, I do expect professional communication from you, and I will do the same. That means if you are communicating via email, please make sure you include your name when you sign off, as well as have an introduction. If you're writing to me, it would be hello, Instructor Caldwell, and then have a detailed body. If you have a question, make sure it's detailed as to exactly what your question is. I do try to get back to everyone within 24 to 48 hours, though it may take longer on the weekends. On the final page, I have the breakdown of points as well as a generic overview of the course. Now, this calendar may change as it is subject to how we are doing in the class and what is happening. There is a week-by-week detailed list of dates, deadlines, assignments, and our learning units. Again, this is just an overview. As it says at the bottom of the left-hand column, I'm here to help you succeed in this course. The lack of understanding something is not an excuse for low participation or incomplete assignments, especially if you did not come forward with questions ahead of time. Please utilize office hours and email communication. I've created these to help you succeed in the course. All right, now that you've had an overview of the syllabus, let's go ahead and have an overview of Blackboard.